Hello dear student. Today start from the revision. This revision is based on the chapter number second. This chapter number second name is shapes and angle. Now listen here. Start from this question number first. There are various types of angle is based on their measure of the angle. The type is okay. Now listen here, my dear student. There are various types of angle, but is are based on the you have to measuring the angle. Okay. Now the type is are given. First one is acute angle. Second one is right angle. Third one is obtuse angle. Fourth one is straight angle, and the fifth one is a reflex angle. Now the one by one angle you have to discuss it. First of all, start from the acute angle. Now we have to define the acute angle is an angle is a measure in between the 0 to 90 degree. Okay, otherwise is less than 90 degree. This type of angle is called as a acute angle. Once again I repeat it, an angle which are measuring between means what, here will be 0 to 90 degree. Okay, otherwise is it means what, less than 90 degree. Both the meaning is are same. Okay, less than 90 degree, otherwise 0 to 90 degree, and this type of angle is called as a acute angle. Now the second one start from the right angle. Now we have to define the right angle, an angle which are measuring the exactly 90 degree. Okay, not in between, this is exactly 90 degree, and this type of angle is called as a right angle. This is a definition of a right angle. And the third one, to start from the obtuse angle, an angle which are measuring in between the 90 to 180 degree. Now listen here, some example we are discussing about the how can we find classify the each of the following angle. First of all, we are to discussing about the some definition. This definition is very important because your chapter name is what, shapes and angle. Okay, and this is our obtuse angle is an angle which are measuring in between the 90 to 180 degree, and this type of angle is called as a obtuse angle. This is a third one type. Now to start from the fourth one type. This is our straight angle. Now see the definition of a straight angle, an angle which are measuring the exactly 180 degree, non in between. This is our exactly 180 degree, and this type of angle is called as a straight angle. This is the definition of the fourth one type. This is our straight angle. Now the last one, this is our fifth type. This is our reflex angle, an angle which are measuring in between the 90 to not 90, this is a 180 degree to 360 degree, and this type of angle is called as a reflex angle. Okay, so this is our types of angle. This is a various types of angle is are based on the measuring. Okay, once again I repeated, this is your acute angle. Definitely this is acute angle is are measuring between 0 to 90 degree. Second one is what, right angle is our exactly 90 degree, and the third one is the obtuse angle. Definitely we have to angle measuring the 90 to 180 degree. This is a straight angle. Straight angle is our measuring the exactly 180 degree. This type of angle is called as a straight angle. And the last one is a reflex angle, and reflex angle is our measuring between the 180 degree to 360 degree. Okay, now let's start from the question number second. This is our question number second is what, classify the each of the following angle. I already discussed the some definition. This is the types of angle I already discussed. By using the type, some example in front of you, we have to classify the each of the following angle. Now start from the first one example. This is a 45 degree. Now see, the 45 degree is a type of acute angle. Why acute angle? Because I already discussed, we have to define the acute angle, an angle which are measuring in between the 0 to 90 degree. Here we start from the 0 to 90 degree, it will be 45 degree. This is a mid of the angle, this is a mid of the degree. Okay, this is our 45. It means that you are classify the each of the following angle, definitely your answer is what, above a 45 degree, you get the answer is what, this is a acute angle, and this is a type of a acute angle. Now second one is, this is our 90 degree. I already discussed, this is the very definition of a right angle. Why? Because an angle which are measure the exactly 90 degree, and this the type of right angle I already discussed. And next one is what, 125 degree. Okay, now see the 125 and an angle which are measuring between the 90 to 180 degree. Okay, because this is our 125 is less than 180 degree. This is our type of obtuse angle. Next, question number 4. This is our 170 degree, and this is our also type of obtuse angle, because it is also a less than 180 degree, because this is a definition of what, obtuse angle, an angle which are measuring in between the 90 to 180 degree, and this is called as a obtuse angle. There are so many example, we have to classify it. Now for an example, this is a 180 degree. Definitely 180 degree is a type of a straight angle. Why? Because this is a wonderful definition of an angle is are measuring the exactly 180 degree, and this is our type of a straight angle, and so many example. Okay, now let's start from the next one topic. This is our next one topic is what, this is our different types of polygon. For first one column and second one column, we have to write the number of sides. Now see, the first one is our triangle, and everyone is student, you know about the triangle has a simple 3 sides. It means that the name of a polygon, this is what a triangle has 3 sides. Second one is quadrilateral. It will be quadrilateral has 4 sides. Okay. Next one is, it will be pentagon. The word of a pentagon, the word of a penta means 5. Okay, it means that here will be pentagon has a number of sides is 5. Understood? Next one is what, a hexagon. This is the types of this is the name of the polygon. Okay, this is what a hexagon. Hexagon, it means that the number of sides is 6. Next one is the heptagon, and this is our heptagon has a number of sides is 7. And the last one is the octagon. This is our sides is are given, this is our 8. Okay, this is our table is are based on the one side you have to write it the name of a polygon and the number of sides, and this is a very important table, because once again we have to write the side. It means that here has a 6 side, draw 6 sides, it means that you have to draw the pentagon. You can be draw the 7 side, it means that you can be draw the heptagon, octagon, quadrilateral and triangle. Okay, now the once again revise the topic. Today we are to discussing about the revise the topic. There are a very types of angle. This is our acute, right, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. By using the definition, we have to classify the each of the angle. This is our acute angle, right angle, depend upon the measuring. Okay, and I already discussed the name of the polygon. By using the name of a polygon, we have to find the number of sides. Okay, this is our concept is our based on the chapter number 2. This is our shapes and angle. I hope everyone student understood the all our things, how can we classify the each of the angle and we have to define the different types of angle. And third one is classify the polygon. It means that the sides are given, we have to write down the polygon, otherwise the polygon is are given to you, we have to find the number of sides. Okay, and next topic start from the next OBS video, and have a nice day.